In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your tabs or sheets here in the Google Sheets app, both on the iPhone and Android. So let's say you're working on a spreadsheet, and on that spreadsheet, you have too many sheets or tabs. Now, let's say the most important one is your purchase order tab. We have our customer tab and our products tab. Again, the most important one is the first one right here. And for the rest, you just want to hide them, but not really delete them. So we can go ahead and do that, and that's just going to be by tapping on that tab first, then tapping on the arrow pointing down, which is your drop-down menu, and here are our options. So if you just want to hide it, you can just go ahead and tap on the hide button right here. There you have it. We have hidden that tab. You can't see it here anymore. And one more time, let's do that again. Again, just tap on the arrow pointing down, tap on hide, and there you have it. We've successfully hidden those two tabs or sheets within our spreadsheet. Again, this procedure is the same whether you're using the iPhone or the Android. I'm doing this right now on an iPhone. And if you want to see those hidden sheets or tabs, just tap on this menu right here at the bottom left corner. You will see that our customer and products sheet or tab are grayed out because again, they are hidden. If you want to show them, you can just simply tap on them. They will be back on your spreadsheet and you'll be able to see them right there. So that's how easy it is. We can hide our tabs or sheets here in the Google Sheets app, both on the iPhone and Android. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.